Okay guys, I've officially thrown away all my old hair tools. And why, you may ask? Because I found the one device that literally does it all, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how. Hi guys, what's up, it's me Priya and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to ungatekeep my ultimate hair secret. This right here is the Bombay Hairess 3-in-1 multi-styler, and I'm gonna prove to you why you don't need anything else. Okay, so I'm a BTS ARMY, and the fact that it's purple, it's already a winner for me, but I do have many more valid reasons. Okay, first of all, you really don't need 3 different tools anymore. This one does it all: dry, straight, soft curls, or that Sabrina Carpenter voluminous 90s blowout that we all love. Yeah, just snap on the attachment you need and you're good to go. No wires, no mess or chaos. It's a pretty compact device, so if you travel a lot, you don't need to carry a suitcase full of tools. I guess this one device is all you need. Now previously I had this device, which you can see is quite bulky, making it difficult to move and wrap my hair around it. Whenever I used it, my hair ended up getting tangled or frizzy after a while. I spent $2,600 on this and only used it rarely. So the Bombay Multi-Styler definitely feels like an upgrade. This one comes for $2,300, but it's way better. It's pretty easy to work this tool and my hair did not get tangled as much. Also, this has high-speed airflow, which makes it super quick. If you purchase this one, you only get one blow brush head, but Bombay Hairess costs around $2,300 and you get 2 attachments, a blow brush head and a dryer, that too at 2-year warranty. The most convenient thing is changing attachments. It's super quick, just one click, lock, unlock, and it's ready to use. No complicated setup. It also has a cool shock mode, which I personally love. Since my hair is a bit fragile, I usually avoid using high heat on my hair, so styling with cool air feels safe and gentle on my scalp. And it also minimizes the damage. And the best part, it has 4 adjustable heat settings. So if you have thin hair like me, you can use cool or low heat setting. For medium hair, medium heat setting works the best. And if you have very thick hair, you can use the high setting, which will give you the fastest, most effective styling. Okay, let's start with the hairdryer first. Its airflow spreads evenly, so the hair does not fly around everywhere. It just dries smoothly. Plus, the device is so lightweight, you don't even feel the hand fatigue while using it. Look at the difference, guys. I've only dried one side and the frizz is instantly gone. The coolest part is how quickly it dries without using any excessive heat. Big thumbs up. Now let's change into my go-to attachment, which is the blow brush. It's basically a comb and a dryer hybrid, which means you no longer have to juggle comb in one hand and dryer in the other. It's super easy to handle. It also has built-in ionic care. What that means is it generates negative ions that break down water molecules, so the hair dries faster with less heat. At the same time, it seals the cuticles, reduces frizz, and naturally enhances shine. The result is soft, glossy, healthy looking hair. Pro tip, always start at the roots and wrap the section around the brush and slowly glide it down. This gives you that smooth, bouncy blowout finish. I applied serum before styling and just look at that. The blow brush gave me instant salon-like finish. It's smooth, shiny, and look at that bounce. Lightweight it felt in my hand, like while styling. No hand strain at all. The lightweight design makes it really easy to style the whole hair. You can even do beachy waves or softer curls depending on how you wrap your hair. So yeah, it's super versatile like that, and honestly it's way less intimidating than my old curling wand. And that's my final look for today. So yeah, I officially threw away all my other hair tools because the Bombay Hairess 3-in-1 Multi-Styler does everything that I need, and that too at a very reasonable price. So yeah, honestly I've been using it for a while now and the build feels really sturdy. The airflow stays consistent, the attachments they click in firmly, and it also does not overheat even after long styling sessions. Plus it's lightweight, so my arms they do not get tired, and with adjustable heat settings and a 2-year warranty, I feel like this will outlast my old hair too. I also think there is a prejudice around such multi-stylers. People think that using one tool for everything means more heat damage. But actually this one has adjustable heat settings and ionic care which protects my hair while styling. So this is more gentler than my old tools. It's pretty good for everyday hairstyling, but the only tiny drawback I felt compared to a traditional curling wand was that the curls don't last as long, and especially I have silky hair, so मेरा तो ऐसे भी issue रहता है. Add some light hairspray, but honestly for the speed and the convenience, I don't mind that trade-off. So if you're looking to buy one for yourself, it's available on their website mybombay.in, Amazon, Instamart, Tira Beauty. Comment below which look was your favorite and what are your thoughts on this hair tool. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!